Got a check engine light? Or maybe an ABS or airbag warning you just can't clear? What if one handheld tool could handle engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, and more without breaking the bank? Today we're checking out the Autel MaxiDiag MD806 PRO, a full system diagnostic scanner built for serious DIYers and small shops alike. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I test the tools that help turn your garage into a pro-level workspace. If you're into diagnosing cars, resetting warning lights, and getting faster at repairs, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. What is the MD806 PRO? The MD806 PRO is a mid-tier full-system scan tool from Autel. Unlike basic code readers that just pull the engine codes, this one supports nearly all systems: engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, SRS, and also has several service functions built in. It's handheld, connects via OBD2 cable, no wireless module, and designed for vehicles from the 1996 plus era that support OBD2 protocols. Key features: the Autel MaxiDiag MD806 PRO is packed with useful functions. 1. Full system diagnostics, scan engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS for faults. 2. Service functions, reset oil, EPB, SAS, DPF, and BMS quickly. 3. Global vehicle coverage and updates, works on most US, Asian, and European cars with lifetime free updates. How to use, step by step. Using it is simple. 1. Plug into the car's OBD2 port. 2. Select your vehicle or let it auto-detect VIN. 3. Read or clear codes, view live data, and perform service resets, all from one menu. Pros and cons. Pros: full system coverage, multiple service functions, global vehicle support, easy to use, lifetime updates. Cons: wired only, limited advanced functions, new vehicle limitations. Price and value. The Autel MaxiDiag MD806 PRO is priced around $250 to $300, which makes it an excellent option for DIY enthusiasts, home mechanics, and small workshops. At this price point, you're getting a full system diagnostic tool with multiple service functions, something that would normally cost much more if you were buying separate tools or dealer-level scanners. Final thoughts. So to wrap up, the Autel MaxiDiag MD806 PRO is a robust all-system diagnostic scanner with plenty of value for mechanics and enthusiasts alike. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Drop your questions in the comments. Let me know what car you'd like me to test it on. And don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews and how-tos from the workshop. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.